How's it going, folks? Up at Owen's place again today to talk sand beds for all you folks who want to learn a little bit more about growing in sand with your aquaponics. In this tank here, it's a bit hard to see them at the moment, but there's 50 barramundi.
The pump inside comes through the side of the shed and along here, and then diverts to the two sand beds. It'll come on every 2 hours for 15 minutes. I'm only running mine during the day just to save on a bit of power because it doesn't need it at night. At first I had an ongoing battle keeping the mounds that they say to keep in it. So what I did is made sure the flow was a bit more dispersed and not as heavy going into the bed.
So it looks like you got quite a selection of plants in there. What's your best recommendations, or what plants have you found have done best for you out of the system here?
Fruiting and root crops. Okay. The leafy stuff doesn't seem to enjoy its time in there.
Jay Robert said, really interested in the purge tank setup. How long do you leave the fish in there?
Okay, minimum of 2 days. I tried 1 day, I tried to speed it up. Basically bare minimum 2 days, and if you want it done in 2 days, you need to salt it.
So extra salt.
Extra salt.
We did touch on earlier the reason why Owen has these pouches in the center, but they are a dual root zone, meaning they are a soil blend, and the water wicks up from the bottom and hydrates the soil, so the plants can actually grow out through the pouch into the hydroponic area or stay within the soil and grab what they need.
So I'd been asking for ages about potatoes in sand beds, and pretty much the word was it doesn't happen or they're not very successful. So I thought, why not? I've got the space, I'm just crazy enough to do it. Yeah. I'll give it a go. So yeah, basically this one hasn't been in for as long as it should because the weather isn't correct for it, but it gives me an idea if I'm on the right track when it comes to growing potatoes in sand. Let's have a look while I'm here.
Take one off, why not?
We'll
I'm sure it won't go to waste at all.
No, it oh, I got the ants having a chew, but yeah, as you can see.
Oh, that's beautiful.
And let's have a look at the normal ones.
And as you said, these were all planted at the same time, weren't they?
Yeah, these are all planted at the exact
sort of
same
don't look
time.